Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. It is Christmas Eve today, so Merry Christmas everyone. Today we are going to be doing a cleaning for Christmas because I don't know about you, but one of my things that I've always done since I was, if not a teenager, like maybe even a little bit younger, I don't know, but I would always make sure my room at least was just absolutely clean. Like I had to have a clean room before Christmas. So now that I'm a bit older, we have a house, now I just want a clean house for Christmas, just have everything done, ready to go so I can have a nice sleep before Christmas, even though I still get up early on Christmas Day. I'm still excited like a little kid. I don't know if you're all the same way, but let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I need to get dressed. I'm still in my PJs. I'm gonna finish having my cup of coffee. But yeah, let's get this cleaning started. I just wanted to get on here for a second too and show you guys this cup my boss got me for Christmas. I just think it's the cutest. It's just, you know, my little girl on there, so I'm happy to take this to work every day now with my cup of coffee. Making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful, I'm still having issues of my camera cutting out on me. So when I thought it was recording, you're actually getting like half of what I did with the mopping. So sorry about that, but yeah, I don't know what's up with my camera. Finally getting some snow, so it's going to be a white Christmas. how far back videos ago, but I know I had a comment before about someone asking me to use the Clorox Gel Clean to see if it works on my tile grout. So I'm finally doing that in this video. So sorry it took me so long for the person who commented wanted me to do this, but finally getting to it. And I have to say, this stuff actually worked pretty good, so I'm going to use this on my tile grout from now on. So thank you to whoever commented down below for that.
Someone to hold, someone to hold, get through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I get done, I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm not trying to tell you, wanna have someone to hold, walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a
Alright, and with that, this is about the end of the video. And when this video goes up, it will actually be after Christmas. So I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if this is your first time watching, I hope you will think about hitting that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join our little YouTube family. And yeah, we will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys!